Hey, what's up, guys? Screaming V12 here. Earlier today, I went to this sick Bentley dealership in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And as soon as I walked in, I saw that Bentley on the right getting ready for a photo shoot. And on my left, I saw this first edition Bentley Flying Spur. I haven't seen one like this before in this color, so I thought this one was pretty sick. As you can see, the first edition badge is here. It's not very clear though. Oh, and over here is the Bentley fence on the side, like the backwards V. It comes with the option. It comes with the option of the Bentley logo coming out the front, and I really love the headlights. They look like jewels. They're awesome. So that vent in the front comes out through the side, this backwards V logo. Oh, and I can't stop talking about these wheels. I really love them. So this is the new Bentley Continental GT Hybrid, also a first edition. Man, I love that car. It came with black wheels and the contrast goes really good with the white color. It also came with smoked taillights, which I've never seen on a Bentley before. So I thought that was pretty cool. Also, shout out to Bentley of Kuala Lumpur for letting us film this video. And over here we had an entire line of like many Bentley Bentegas. And that white one in the background is a Bentley Bentayga S. They had all these super cool photos around. I think the white Bentley Bentayga was my favorite Bentayga out of like the lineup of the four. I actually didn't know that you could actually option a Bentley roof rack for this Bentley. I thought that was pretty cool. But it costs a lot extra. I was always like astonished by all these big wheels that Bentley had. They also have the Bentley Edition pillow. And they have Bentley Edition teddy bears and merch. Again, shout out to Kuala Lumpur Bentley.